In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your active status in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Slack is a fantastic tool for collaboration, but sometimes you might want to be away from your desk or simply prefer not to be disturbed. Turning off your active status helps communicate that you're not available. So let's break it down step by step. First, you'll want to open your account menu. To do this, look at the top right corner of the Slack window. You should see your profile avatar or account image up there. It's usually a small circle with your initials or a photo if you've set one. Go ahead and click on that. As you do that, a menu will pop up presenting you with various options related to your account. Right at the top, you'll see your current status. It likely says active, as indicated by a green dot beside your name. To change this, click on that status indicator. You'll see the option to set yourself as away. By selecting this, your profile dot will change from green to gray, indicating that you're not actively available right now. This simple switch signifies to your colleagues that you're currently away from your work. Now, if you're looking for a way to set a more permanent status while maintaining some context around your absence, let's delve into that. In that same profile menu where you changed your online status, you'll find an option that says Update Your Status. Click on that. Now you have several presets to choose from. You might choose vacationing or out sick, depending on your specific situation. This way, your teammates will understand why you're away. After you select a preset, look for the Clear After drop-down menu. This is an important step. If you want your status to stay indefinitely, select Don't Clear. This means your status will remain until you decide to change it back manually. Once you've selected your desired preset and made sure that it won't expire without your input, you'll need to save these changes. Look for the confirmation prompt that usually asks if you want to leave notifications on or off. You'll want to select Leave On, as this allows you to still receive important messages even when you're away. Then, click on Save to finalize your settings. And just like that, you've successfully turned off your active status in Slack. Now, your colleagues can know that you're not available to chat, and you can enjoy that time away without any disturbances. It really is as simple as that. So remember, whether you're taking a quick break, heading out for lunch, or enjoying a longer vacation, turning off your active status in Slack can help manage expectations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.